John, do you think we should have a picnic this afternoon?
Oh yes, Mom. That sounds fun. Where should we go?
How about a lake? We can spend the afternoon there.
The lake sounds perfect. What should we take for lunch?
I can make some ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Yummy. I love your ham sandwiches and potato salad. Maybe we can take some juice too.
Great idea, John. I'll pack some orange juice. Do you think we should bring something for dessert?
How about some cookies?
Cookies it is. Don't forget to tell your sister about the picnic.
I will. Should I tell Emily to bring her swimsuit?
Yes, it's going to be hot later, so it will be a great day for a swim in the lake.
Awesome. I'll let Emily know and ask her to pack her swimsuit.
Also, don't forget to pack the life jackets. Safety first.
Got it, Mom. Will Dad be coming with us?
Of course. Your dad wouldn't miss a day at the lake. He's taking a nap right now, though.
Should we wake him up?
Yes, we should. Why don't you wake him up while I finish packing?
Sure thing. I'll get him up, and then I'll help Emily get ready.
Thanks, John. You're a big help.
Dad, wake up. We're going to the lake for a picnic.
Oh, that sounds great. I'll get up and get ready. Are we leaving soon?
Yeah, Mom's almost done packing everything. You better get your swimsuit too.
All right, I'm on it. This is going to be a fun day.